Did you know that 63% of millionaires have over 3 streams of income, and a significant chunk of these streams are passive? Imagine having multiple streams of revenue flowing into your bank account while you sleep, travel, or simply enjoy a cup of coffee. Sounds ideal, right? Well, that's the power of passive income. It's income that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain, a stark contrast to the traditional 9-to-5 grind. In the world of finance, diversification is king. It's about not putting all your eggs in one basket. The same applies to your income. Having multiple income streams acts as a safety net, reducing the risk if one stream dries up. Now, think about the concept of passive income. It's like a magical river that keeps flowing whether you're actively fishing or not. It continues to generate cash, even when you're not directly working on it. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about creating sustainable wealth over time, and more importantly, buying you the freedom to spend your time as you wish. The beauty of passive income is that it can provide financial security and freedom, freeing you from the shackles of living paycheck to paycheck. It gives you the liberty to pursue passions and dreams that might not be possible with a single income source. It's about building a life where you're no longer trading time for money. But how do you create passive income? Well, it's not as elusive as it may seem. From online content creation, affiliate marketing to real estate and stock market investments, there are numerous legitimate ways to build passive income streams. And the best part? With the rise of the digital era, most of these can be started right from the comfort of your own home. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone. But with the right mindset and strategies, it's a journey that's well worth it. Now, let's delve into 9 legit ways to earn passive income. First up, online content creation. Now, this is a realm where your creativity can truly shine. Think about starting a blog, launching a podcast, or even writing an ebook. The beauty of this approach lies in its versatility. You could share recipes, offer life advice, teach a language, or discuss the latest tech innovations. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. But how do you turn this into passive income? Monetization is the key. With blogs and ebooks, you can generate revenue through ads, sponsored posts, or sales. Podcasts can be monetized via sponsorships or crowdfunding. Remember, the key to success is delivering value. The more valuable your content, the more people will want to consume it. And the best part? Once your content is out there, it can continue to generate revenue without any extra work on your part. With consistency and quality, online content creation can become a lucrative passive income source. Next, consider automating a side hustle. This is about hustling smarter, not harder. Automation is the secret ingredient that turns a time-consuming side job into a lucrative passive income stream. So, how exactly do you automate a side hustle? Well, let's consider a few examples. Dropshipping is a business model where the retailer doesn't need to keep products in stock. Instead, the retailer sells the product and a third-party supplier ships it directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for inventory management, making it a perfect candidate for automation. Another great option is creating an online store. With a multitude of platforms out there, you can sell anything from digital products to handmade crafts, all while you sleep. Automation tools and software can handle everything from customer inquiries to order fulfillment. This means you can sit back and watch the income roll in without lifting a finger. Remember, the key here is automation. Affiliate marketing, a popular option. Picture this, you're the middleman connecting customers to products or services they need. This is the essence of affiliate marketing. It's about promoting others' products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. What's enticing about affiliate marketing is that it doesn't require you to create your own products or services. You simply align yourself with brands that resonate with your audience. Now, how does it generate passive income? Well, once you've established a platform, whether it's a blog, a YouTube channel, or a social media account, and you've put your affiliate links out there, the income can roll in even when you're not actively working. The key, however, is to choose products that are relevant to your audience and to promote them authentically. Remember, trust is vital in affiliate marketing. With the right strategy, affiliate marketing can be a significant passive income stream. Have expertise in a particular area? Why not create an online course? In this digital age, knowledge is a powerful currency. And one of the best ways to cash in on your expertise is by creating and selling online courses. You might be a whiz at coding, a pro at photography, or a maestro of music. Whatever your skill, there's likely a hungry audience out there eager to learn. Creating an online course involves some upfront work. You'll need to plan your course, create the content, and then upload it to a platform like Udemy or Skillshare. But here's the exciting part. Once your course is live, it can continue to generate income with little to no additional effort on your part. This is the essence of passive income. Your knowledge transformed into a product that keeps on giving long after the work is done. The beauty of online courses is that you create them once and they can generate income for years. Let's talk about membership groups. Now, when you hear membership groups, you might think of exclusive clubs with high entry fees. But in the digital age, a membership group can be as simple as a platform where like-minded individuals gather to share ideas, learn, and grow together. Creating a membership group or subscription service can be an excellent way to earn passive income. The concept is straightforward. You provide a valuable service or content that people are willing to pay for on a recurring basis. This could be anything from exclusive content, special access to resources, to even a vibrant community where members can network and learn from each other. The key here is to build a loyal community around a specific interest or topic. It could be anything from entrepreneurship, fitness, art, coding, you name it. As long as it's something people are passionate about and willing to invest in, you're on the right track. With a loyal community, membership groups can be quite profitable. Ever heard of Amazon FBA? Well, let me tell you, it's a game changer. Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon, is a service provided by Amazon that allows you to store your products in Amazon's fulfillment centers. They handle storage, packaging, and shipping assistance, taking the heavy lifting off your shoulders. Imagine this. You source a product, list it on Amazon, and then send your inventory to Amazon's warehouses. From there, Amazon takes care of everything else. They store your products, pack and ship them when orders come in, and even handle customer service and returns. But what's the best part? You earn money every time a product is sold without lifting a finger. It's like having a team of Amazon employees at your disposal working around the clock to sell your products. And as your business grows, so does your potential for income. With Amazon FBA, you can earn while you sleep. Real estate, the classic passive income source. This path to building wealth has long been a favored choice for many. Why? Because it's a tangible asset, a real thing you can touch, feel, and see. But how does it work as a source of passive income? Well, let's delve into that. Investing in rental properties is one of the most common ways to generate passive income through real estate. Imagine owning a house, an apartment, or even a commercial building. You rent it out to tenants who pay you rent every month. This rent then becomes your passive income. Of course, there are property management responsibilities, but these can often be outsourced, allowing you to enjoy the income without the day-to-day hassles. Now you might be wondering, but what if I don't have the capital to buy a property outright? And that's a fair question. This is where real estate investment trusts, or REITs, come into play. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. And the best part? You can invest in REITs through the stock market, much like buying shares in a company. By investing in a REIT, you're buying a piece of a portfolio of properties. The income generated from these properties is then distributed to shareholders as dividends. It's an accessible way to get into real estate investing without needing to buy a property yourself. Whether you choose to invest in rental properties or REITs, it's important to remember that real estate is typically a long-term investment. It's not about making a quick buck, but rather about building sustainable wealth over time. And as with any investment, there are risks. Property values can fluctuate, tenants can be unreliable, and REITs can underperform. That's why it's crucial to do your research and consider seeking advice from professionals in the field. Though it requires an initial investment, real estate can provide a steady passive income stream. It's a classic for a reason, and with the right approach, it could be a game changer in your journey towards financial freedom. The stock market, a potential goldmine. Now let's delve into the world of stocks and shares. It's a realm that can seem daunting, but with a little knowledge and a dash of savvy, it can turn out to be a lucrative avenue for generating passive income. Let's consider dividend stocks. Businesses with a history of stable earnings may distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. If you're a shareholder, this means you could receive a regular income just for owning a piece of the company. And the beauty of it is, these payments can continue to roll in whether you're working, sleeping, or sipping cocktails on a beach somewhere. But as with anything in life, there's no such thing as a free lunch. Investing in dividend stocks requires careful research and a keen eye for detail. It's about understanding the company's financial health, its future prospects, and the sustainability of its dividend payments. Now, if the idea of picking individual stocks feels a bit too much like hard work, there's another option that might suit you better: index funds. An index fund is a type of investment that tracks a specific market index. It's a way of spreading your money across a wide range of companies, giving you a slice of the overall market's performance. One of the great things about index funds is that they require minimal effort on your part. Once you've invested, the fund does all the work for you. It automatically adjusts your portfolio to match the index it's tracking. This means you can sit back and let the market do its thing while you reap the rewards. But remember, investing in the stock market comes with its own set of risks. It's not a guaranteed route to riches, and it's essential to do your homework before diving in. The bottom line, the stock market can be a powerful tool for generating passive income. With a strategic approach and a bit of patience, you could see your money grow over time. Invest wisely, and the stock market can become a significant source of passive income. Last but not least, starting a YouTube channel. This platform has grown exponentially over the past decade, and it's not slowing down. It's a space where you can share your passions, your knowledge, your creativity, and yes, earn passive income while doing it. When you create a YouTube channel, you're essentially building your own mini television station. You decide the content, the style, the tone, and the best part, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and even merchandise. Now, it's important to remember that success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent content creation and engagement with your audience. But don't get discouraged. Keep producing content that you love and believe in, and the audience will follow. Remember, every popular YouTuber started from zero, so don't be afraid to take that first step and hit the upload button. With creativity and consistency, a YouTube channel can become a substantial passive income source. Each of these methods requires consistency, patience, and smart work. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about building a sustainable and reliable income stream that will serve you in the long run. Remember, passive income doesn't mean no effort. It means smart effort. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. So, whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or someone looking to diversify their income, I hope these methods inspire you to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because there's no such thing. The perfect moment is now. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. Take that step today. Ready for more insights and inspiration? Hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell. Join our community and let's grow together. Remember, your financial success journey begins with a single step. Take that step today. Be positive and always believe in yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.